the Lego, Mickey, and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Look at, oh no, look at Donald Duck. See? Look, I'm first in line. Oh, but I remind my guys, this is going to be so much fun. I'm so excited. It's just going to be super duper 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 fun. Mickey and Minnie driving in his car.
Testing. Is this thing on? Can you all hear me way back in the back?
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hello there. How you doing?
Hey, Mickey and Liam.
You sure you take good care of our friends.
What's better than me? What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch. Minnie, let's get that runaway train.
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Bye, picnickers. Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now.
Gosh, what's this lever do?
Ah,
Here we
we
are.
did it, guys.